we are going to do a Toffelmire matrix assembly and placement. So I have my Toffelmire, my matrix band, and a wooden wedge. On my Toffelmire, I have the outer knob, inner knob, spindle, diagonal slot vise, channel guide, and on the channel guide, this is the gingival edge, and then this side is the occlusal edge. So first thing I'm going to do on my matrix band, the top of the smile is going to be your gingival edge. So when I bring it together, the side that goes in will be on our gingival edge. So I'm going to place it into my Toffelmire and put it out the side. Like this. Then I'm going to tighten with the outer knob. Once it's tightened and securely in place, then I can place it around my tooth that I'm going to have selected. The inner knob controls the diagonal slot vise to make the band looser or tighter. So I'm going to wrap it around. My tooth, so it should sit on like this, with this part coming towards the anterior of the mouth, and my band should be on the same side of the channel guide as the teeth I'm working on. So I'm going to place my thumb over the occlusal, then I'm going to turn the inner knob to tighten it around the tooth. I want to make it snug, but not tighten too much that it pops out. So I'm pretty snug right there. Now, depending on whether my prep is for the mesial or the distal, that's where I'll place my wooden wedge. So for these purposes, I'm going to say it's on the mesial, and we want to go in lingually. And when we're looking at the wedge as an isosceles triangle, we want to make sure the flat side, the bottom of that triangle, is what is placed in between the teeth.